Hi there, little explorers! Welcome to the Wiggle Giggle Farm. Today we're meeting 21 amazing farm animals.
Let's explore and learn all about these wonderful creatures.
Are you ready? Let's begin our journey. Cow. Cows are gentle animals that give us milk and love to graze in green fields.
Sheep. This is a sheep. Sheep give us wool to make clothes and blankets.
Chicken. Here's a chicken. Chickens lay eggs and are great at scratching the ground to find food. Pig. Pigs are playful and smart animals that love rolling in the mud to stay cool.
Duck. This is a duck. Ducks love swimming and quacking by the pond.
Horse. Horses are graceful animals that gallop through fields and can carry people on their backs. Goat. Goats are curious animals that love to climb and eat just about anything.
Cat. This is a cat. Cats on farms are great at keeping mice away.
Turkey. Turkeys are large birds with fan-like tails. They make a funny gobble-gobble sound. Donkey. Donkeys are strong animals used to help carry things and are known for their loud brays. Rabbit. Rabbits are fast hoppers with long ears and love to eat carrots and leafy greens.
What's your favorite farm animal so far?
Silkworm. Here's a silkworm. These tiny creatures spin silk threads that are used to make beautiful fabrics. Farmers grow mulberry trees for silkworms to eat.
Goose. Here's a goose. Geese are great guards and make loud honking sounds.
Llama. Llamas are friendly animals from South America, often used to carry heavy loads.
Dog? Here's a dog. Dogs help herd sheep and protect the farm. Rooster. This is a rooster! Roosters crow early in the morning to wake everyone up. Wow! Aren't these animals amazing? Let's keep going and discover even more creatures.
Buffalo. Buffalo are large, tough animals with thick fur that live in herds on the plains.
They also provide milk, just like cows. Guinea pig. This is a guinea pig. Guinea pigs are small, fluffy, and love to squeak.
Alpaca. Alpacas are soft, woolly animals with fluffy coats that people use for clothing.
Bee. Here's a bee. Bees make honey and help pollinate plants on the farm.
Fish. This is a fish. Fish are found in ponds and rivers on farms, and they come in all shapes and sizes. Farmers often raise fish like rohu and catfish for food. Wow! Thank you for exploring the farm with us.
We've learned so much about these amazing animals.
Which one was your favorite? Don't forget to like and subscribe to Wiggle and Giggle for more fun learning videos.
See you next time. Bye-bye.